Okay, so in the previous video we determined three different shapes here, and then we decided we were going to figure out formulas for the area, perimeter, and circumference. So let's actually do some examples. What you need to do is copy this into your notebook. What I'll do is I'll go through and do the top three, then I'll give you some time to work on the bottom three on your own, and then we'll work them out together. Alright, so in this example, I want us to find the area and perimeter, or circumference if you're talking about the circle, of each figure. So let's find the area of this. Notice 2 and 4 are different sizes, so what we have here is a rectangle. If you go back to your little handy dandy formulas here, the area of a rectangle is length times width. So in this case, we're going to say W and L. So area is length times width, or length is 4, width is 2, so the area of that rectangle is 8. If you want to find the perimeter, remember perimeter means add up all the sides, so you can do 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4, or you can remember this formula, 2 times L plus W. So 2 times L plus W is the perimeter. L is 4, W is 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6, times 2 is 12. So there's the area and the perimeter for the rectangle. For the square, notice this is a square because these two sides are the same, which means these two sides are also equal to 5. The area, remember again, is going to be L squared, or in this case, whatever the length is 5. So our area is going to be 25. 5 squared is 25. We want to do the perimeter. Remember, you have a choice. Add up all the sides. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or you can come and use this perimeter of 4 times L. In this case, 4 times L is 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. So those are easy enough. Looking at the circle, we want to use the area of a circle. Remember from our formulas, the area is pi r squared. So pi, remember that pi is just a number in math that has a repeating decimal that never ends, but we can approximate pi to be 3.14, okay? So if you don't want to write pi, you can say this is 3.14 times, now notice they give us the radius. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge, which is 3 there if you can read that. So that's 3.14 times 3 squared. And now you crunch it out. We got to do the exponent first. 3 times 3, or 3 squared, is 9. And then you do 3.14 times 9. We'll do that the long way since I don't have a calculator. 4 times 9 is 36. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. And then 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 1 would be 28. So your area here is going to be 28.26. To find the circumference, remember we have a choice. Do pi d or 2 pi r. Since they've given us the radius, let's do 2 pi r. So this is 2 times 3.14 times r, which is 3. Alright. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 3.14 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. 6, 8, 18. So your circumference is going to be 18.84. Okay? So take a second and try these bottom three on your own. Pause the video, and I'll be back in just a second to explain how to do it. Okay, so finding the area of the rectangle. Area is length times width. We have the formula up there already. We're going to do 3 times 5, 15. We can bang these out pretty quick. Perimeter is 2 times the length plus the width, or add up all the sides. 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5. 2 times 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 8 times 2 is 16. So you should have got 15 for the first one, 16 for the second one. Area of the square. Remember that's L squared. Well, this is not a square though. So notice 4 and 6 are two different lengths here. Even though it looks like a square, this is still a rectangle, so we still need to use the area for the rectangle. So that's going to be 4 times 6, which is 24. Perimeter will be 2 times 4 plus 6, or 2 times 10, which is 20. Okay? Notice in the third one, they give you the diameter. So to find the area, we're using pi r squared, but pi is 3.14. They didn't give us r, but notice to find r, all you have to do is divide the diameter by 2. So 6 divided by 2 means that r is equal to 3. So we're doing 3.14 times 3 squared. Notice we did this calculation right up there. So this is going to be 28.26 again. And if you want to use the circumference, you can either use the 2 pi r and figure out that we're going to get the same number we got up there, or you can do pi times d. So 3.14 times d, which is 6. And that's going to give us that 18.84 again. Okay, so that's how you find the area, perimeter, and circumference of these different shapes. If you have any questions, bring them to class.